Welcome to Little Birdie, your new global homepage of shopping. We've searched high and low across all the stores on the web and got the best sales events, price drops and vouchers that we've personally tested that are online right now. How do you know if you're looking at something overpriced, well-priced or the best price ever? With the Little Birdie price tracker, of course. Know when to fly by and when to swoop in on a great sale. If it is still slightly above what you were hoping for, just select Notify Me and we'll reach out to you when it drops even further. Signing up as a member is easy, and by letting us know a few things you like, we'll be able to make sure you see the things you're most likely to love. There's thousands of stores and tens of thousands of brands on Little Birdie, so pick your favourites and build your own personal shopping centre. As you find more stores, brands and spotters you love, add them to your favourites and keep personalising your feed. Never miss something that matters to you. By engaging with the Little Birdie community, you can help other members know whether they are looking at a top price drop or a promo flop. Even let them know if that product is one you'd buy again. Your voice helps shape the site, so by engaging with Little Birdie, you're getting your favourite stores flying to the top of the rankings and even better offers from them in the future. With over 70 million listings, it's a busy nest to keep in shape. See something wrong? Just let us know and cement your place as an eagle-eyed legend of the community. Now get searching, sharing, and most of all shopping.